Hello everyone. In last lecture we have studied the ERP concepts and fundamental units or functional units of the ERP. Today we are going to study ERP related technologies. Here different technologies are used such as production life cycle management, management information system, supply chain management system, customer relationship management, and decision support system. We will study all these systems one by one. First of all, production life cycle management. As the name suggests, life cycle, therefore there is introduction of anything up to the its last stage. It is complete life cycle is shown in this PLM. Product lifecycle management is the process of managing the entire life cycle of a product. Product lifecycle is used for determining the lifespan of a product. As shown in the figure, the general schematic diagram of 4-stage product lifecycle, which consists of development and introduction of the new product, then growth in the market, its maturity, and at the end its decline if it cannot compete with similar products of other companies, and if it is better than other products, then it will continue. The information gathered from this product life cycle will help an enterprise to understand the state or status of a product in the existing market. Here, from this life cycle, any management can easily decide that should they continue with the same production process or should they have to change it. Therefore, it is very essential and informative process for the production. The next one is the management information system. It is also known as MIS. Here information is provided to the database, and database information is collected by the management. Again, here cycle is going on in between information, database, and management. In this MIS there are 3 components. Those are management, information, and system. System means the database. Management is the end user of the data, that is decision maker. End user means they are only deciding the things received from this database. Information is the process data, and system is the integration and holistic view of the enterprise. This information is the process data. That means whatever the data is received or revised from this management, that data is forward to this information. And naturally we know that data and information, difference in between data and information. Data is the collection of raw material or only the concepts, while information is the processed data. An enterprise may contain different categories of employees like clerks, assistants, officers, executives, managers, etc. All of them are the users of MIS. MIS will collect relevant data from inside and outside of an enterprise. This data is processed and stored in a centralized database and is made available to its users whenever it is needed. For example, if management want to know if how much sale has done in the current week, or what is their aspects, or what is their expectations for the next week, all these things can be gathered by management through the database. MIS has the capability to generate reports as and when the user demands it. This is one of the major benefit of MIS. Any user can easily display the report in the required format. That may be the weekly report, that may be the daily report, that report may contain data only for the specific hours, or that may be monthly, quarterly, any duration. Our required type of reports can be generated by using this MIS. Then next system is supply chain management system. As the name suggests, here supply chain, whatever the material is required, here raw material is shown, here supplier is shown, then that material goes to manufacturing company generates the products from that and sends it for the distribution, and then customer will purchase it, and finally it gets finalized or sold. The supply chain system of all the activities associated with the moving goods from the supplier to the customer. Here it begins with the collecting raw material and ends with receiving the goods by the consumer. It is very important for companies to move product to their customers quickly. Faster product delivery or availability will increase the sale and satisfaction of customer. So it is very important to manage the activities in supply chain management system. Software packages are available in the market for managing the same. Its best example is Amazon. When you purchase anything from the Amazon, then you get the message of each and every step, whatever they are processing, when they are delivering that particular item, what is the current position of that delivery, and all other details of the delivery boy also. Then next one is the customer relationship management. It again consists of marketing, sales, feedback and support. All these things are again cycled in the process of customer relationship management. It is also known as CRM. CRM is a term applied to processes implemented by a company to handle its contact with its customers. CRM covers methods and technologies used by companies to manage their relationships with clients. It is not only the responsibility of the customer to service group or IT team. It touches all the major parts of an enterprise. As shown in this figure, the process involves in CRM. It includes the capture, storage and analysis of customer information. The data generated or data gathered as a part of CRM must consider customers' privacy and data security. Customers want assurance that their data is not shared with third party without their consent and not accessed illegally by third parties. Customers also want their data used by companies to provide a benefit to them. The technology requirement of customer relationship management consists of a database to store entire information about the customer and a software for interacting, analyzing and supporting customer. Here as name customer relationship, therefore whatever the data is available to the company of the customer, it must be kept secured by the company. If it gets leaked through the company, then customer will not believe in that enterprise or in that company. Today, in day to day's life, we always face the problem of data leaking. In that process, if we provide some data on your mobile apps also, that data gets leaked through other third parties, or maybe through that owner, receiver who receives our data. Then next one is the decision support system. It is the last system in this process. This decision support system having again 3 steps: input data, again database and different types of softwares, and finally decision is taken. These systems are interactive computer based systems that aid users in judgment and choice activities. That means depending on your input, your database will provide you some output, and if you provide some queries to the database, that database will provide the answers to your queries. In that case, from that answers you can easily take the decisions what will be the next step. It is a computer program application that analyzes business data and presents it so that users can make business decisions more easily. DSS focuses on providing help in analyzing situations rather than providing right information in the form of various types of reports. DSS needs a strong database management system to provide the support in the decision making. That means when enterprise or company has to take any decision, it is the base of their decision what will be the next step. Okay, all these are about the different technologies in ERP. Now in today's exercise you have to list the ERP related technologies. Okay, we will stop here today.